Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to install Metamask on your device, on your Android through Google Chrome. Okay, well, Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet. That's how we call the digital wallets connect to the internet. Okay, within this category, Metamask is one of the main online wallets models available on the market, and allows you to connect to the most diverse service and protocols in the crypto sector. Okay, so on this video I'm going to show you how to install, how to add this extension. It's an extension, it's not an app. Okay, it's not an app. Okay, so just an extension on your device. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to your Play Store and look for the Kiwi browser. You have to install this Kiwi browser. It is through this browser that you are going to install the extension in your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so you look for Kiwi browser, you open it, you just keep the initial windows, of course, and go to the top right three buttons, go to extensions, and did you see this blue link called Google? You just hit there and you just search for Metamask. Okay, you will search for the Metamask extension, you add, and there you go, you have your Metamask extension installed on your Google Chrome device. Okay, so that's up for today's video. I hope you enjoy, I hope you learn it. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.